Now let's make a cappuccino. A cappuccino is a single or double shot of coffee, topped up with light frothy milk. I've already made a single shot for this. We're going to fill our jug halfway with fresh, cold milk. Then, we're going to immerse the nozzle into the milk and drop the adjuster down to foam. When we open the steam dial, steam is delivered almost immediately. There's no waiting for the circuit to heat up. You can see the volume of milk increasing. Once the jug is slightly too hot to touch, we can stop the steam delivery. I'm going to bang the jug firmly to remove the larger bubbles. Now, we're ready to pour. I'm going to tilt the espresso glass and pour directly into the middle of the coffee. There we have it. A perfect, delicious cappuccino. It's important to clean the milk nozzle after each use.